Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to turn left video to the right one in a very simple way in Premiere Pro. So be with me just for a few minutes. For starting, right click here and import the desired video. And then by drag and drop, add it to the timeline. Assume I want to blur the face of this woman along whole video. In order to doing this, I go to the effect panel and search for Gaussian blur. And then I drag this effect and drop on the video in timeline. Next I go to the effect control and create mask on her face and adjusting borders around it. I can determine the amount of blurriness and even blur the borders. Now if I click on track selected mask, Premiere save my act along whole frames of video. It may take a few minutes. And after all, you can see the result. Thank you for watching. If you like it, don't forget to like it. See you next time.